Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert page numbers in Word and start from specific page. Now I'm going to show you both of the things that we're talking about. So the first one is adding a page. That is the easiest part. Click the insert right here, page numbers, and then you have two options, top or bottom. And if say for example I want to choose bottom and click this one right here, you can see that now it's added. So if I hit Control P, you can see that now page numbers are added down below. So if I were to scroll down, you can see them. Now, what if, say, for example, I want to start at a specific page. Now, let's say, for example, this one right here, page 4, I want to turn this into page 1. That is definitely possible. I'm just going to mark this as red just so we can see it clearly. Let's go over the layout here and choose breaks, next page, and you can see that if I were to click this one, there is a section break here. So yep, we can go ahead and proceed. We're gonna go ahead and click insert and then choose a page or format page numbers and start at. We're gonna start at 1 here. So if I were to hit OK, instead of this being 4, it is now 1. So if I hit Control P, so this is page 1, as you can see here, 2, 3, and then go back to page 1. So yeah, that is how easy it is, everybody. I hope this video is helpful for you guys.